Hey, how you doing?
Good. Alright, so it's the store.
Alrighty. Oh, hello, kitty.
You don't need to open it all the way. You can just crack it and that'll be perfect.
Alrighty. Now this is gonna pose a little bit of a challenge. Definitely not an angle I've ever picked at before.
Yeah, I tried everything before calling. I had like 30 minutes of
Trying like credit cards, everything like that.
Yeah. Yeah, they only give me one key for this, and of course the battery's dead right when I'm gonna change it.
Oh, well, of course. It's hard to get a decent angle at it.